Hey, what's up guys? Spencer here, and today I've got this brand new Sony DVD VCR combo recording system. These are super rare, you can't find new ones anymore, and it is the model number RDR-VX535. This is really one of the best converters that you can get. It's got everything you need, the 1080p HDMI upconversion, and you can easily transfer VHS to DVD. And you can see it's still factory sealed right there. We're gonna open it up just to check it out and make sure it works. So let's go ahead and cut that. You can see that it's still all factory situated in there. I'll get it out of the box and we'll check it out and make sure everything works. I got the recorder all unboxed, and you can see there's no scratches on it. It's all brand new. It's got a USB port on the front, along with DV in for easy recording, and then just a standard composite audio video input. And then the included HDMI cable, composite cables, the manual, and then the remote control. Let's go ahead and get it all plugged in and make sure it dubs, because sometimes brand new items don't work, but this one should. Let's go ahead and check it out. It started up really quick too, that's good. Let's go ahead and connect the TV. We're gonna do it with HDMI. You can see on the back here, there's no tuner connection. You're gonna have to do one of these. You're gonna really wanna do HDMI, but you do have the option of doing composite and then component as well. And then you'll just need to make sure that the other end is connected to the TV, of course. Let's go ahead and turn on the TV and set that to the correct input. Looks like it's already on there. So let's go ahead and put in a blank disc. I'm going to use a DVD -R. Let's just record once. And then I'll get the recordable tape. Some movies can be recorded, not all of them. These are usually used for transferring home videos to DVD. So there's the VHS picture right there. And it looks like it just loaded the DVD. So let's go ahead and push One Touch Dubbing video to DVD. And then it's gonna rewind the VHS a few seconds so that it gets everything. And then it will start dubbing. So now it's recording. It'll stop recording when the disc is full or when the tape has ended. You could also push the stop button on the remote control or on the face of the unit to stop the recording. But after you finish recording, you're going to want to make sure you do the last step, which is to finalize. And I'll show you how to do that after I record with this for a little while. We reached the end of the VHS movie, and now everything has stopped. So now we need to finalize the disc, or we can keep recording if we want to, but we're going to finalize. I put some batteries in the remote control. First thing you're going to do is make sure that you're on the DVD side, and then push the system menu button on the remote. And then you'll see on the screen right here, got all these options. You'll go down to disc setting, and then you'll finalize the disc. Now it's finalizing. You want to make sure that you do this step, because if you do not, the disc isn't going to play in other players. So it's very important. And after you're done doing this, it's going to permanently save it to the disc, and you're not going to be able to record anymore. So that'll just take a minute to process. That was all the basics and a demo of this brand new Sony RDR-VX535. This is really one of the best. It's one of the best VHS to DVD recorders that you can get. It's going to be the most reliable, and it's loaded with features. It's got the 1080p HDMI up conversion. It also looks like it's already done finalizing. That only took about a minute, it seems like. Now that it's done finalizing, we can go ahead and play it back and check out the quality of it. So we'll go to the DVD side, and then we'll push play. So this is the DVD playing right here. It's gonna come out just the exact same as the VHS was on the tape. It'll look the exact same. So if you're looking to buy one of these, you can get it from our website at SpenCertified.com. The link will be in the description. Thanks for watching.